So what are some of the components that you've outlined to help reach the better business outcomes?
Yeah, so the first one, in no particular order, but I'll just try to order them logically. The first one we saw was the emotional experience. How do you connect employees to the purpose of the organization? Do the employees feel like they are connected to the purpose of the organization? That they have a part in the mission of the company versus just a role or a cog in the company? Another one was the physical experience. What is the environment that you are providing to help me do my work? Is it the right environment for me? Does it provide the right ways for me to do my best work, essentially? Where do I do my best work? A third one is the intellectual experience. There's a lot more focus now on learning. And is a company providing me with the means at which I want to learn, how I want to learn, and when I learn? A fourth one is technology, which we've sort of touched on. It's essentially the tools have to work, and it has to help me get my work done very productively. And fifth, I think, is the cultural experience. How are the behaviors of how we do things around here shaping, how do they make me feel as an employee? Do I feel understood? Do I feel like this is an appropriate environment for me to bring my best self to?